Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add a tax location on Wix. So once you're on Wix, on the left hand side, you want to scroll down and you'll find settings. You click on that. Now, once you find settings, you'll find under the finance and payment section tax. You click on that, and on this section here, you'll be able to add a tax location. So here you can find the tax location, and here you can either click add location from here or right here in the middle, doesn't matter where. So here you select a country. So let's say I wanted to select USA or United States. It's much better United States of America. I can select that and I can select the state. So let's say I want to choose Alabama, or I can select all state. I can select that as well. But I'm going to just select one, for example, Arizona, right? Then you select it, then you click on add. And right away you can see that it adds in right here. And here you can set the farm payment, the service, and you can basically set the percentage. I'm not sure exactly what the percentage is, but for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm gonna just say 23%, right? I don't know. But let's say that's what I want to set for this and that, right? So you basically add those. Once you're finished, guys, you click on save and you'll be able to add it right there. And so this is how you can quickly add in the tax rates or add tax locations and their rates on Wix. Very easy and very simple.